I've been playing multiverses now since they came out there, like every day. Come home from work, I put in multiverses, down smashing motherfuckers. Wait, what's this? Same thing, right? Same splash screen, right? They're gonna change it. Finn's the number one character that I hate fighting against because just derp spin to win, no cooldown, no recovery, no barely any recovery on that thing. You can't really dodge around it. It's just a stupid ass move. You get and it does so much reward for nothing. So when I saw this one, I'm like, okay, they're on the right track there. So let me continue looking at the patch notes here. Felt too difficult. They didn't say a little too difficult, like the little cheesy thing there. It felt too difficult, yeah. A bit too safe, yeah. He is fucking safe. Not a bit. He is too safe. He can throw out attacks without much fear of a punish due to how quickly he recovered. Yep. His hurt recommendations are coming soon, but will not be in this patch. Like the hitbox seems like it's all around him, man. It's ridiculous. Choose your character. Okay, so Superman's still free. Rain Dog's still free. So the new his passive attacks by the attack decay are no longer attacks affected by attack decay no longer. Okay, so whenever he spams that shit there and he gets attack decay, he no longer gets coins. That's something. Air down special. Oh, that's that bullshit that makes him instantly get on stage. That's bullshit. Fiction issue with a gem required 200 gold. This wand only costs 100. Okay, something. Air side special. Okay, so recovery whiff. That's something. Ground air. Reduce the strength of the vacuum effect of the backpack. Yeah. Reduced the strength of the vacuum effect of the backpack. Weaker to the backpack will no longer override stronger knockbacks from other attacks. Yeah, that's good right there because I could swear Wonder Woman's shield would not go through that shit there. And Superman's punch would not go through that fucking backpack. It's ridiculous. And she just eats everything up there. It has the highest priority in the game. It's basically like Akuma's Hurricane Kick, from Street Fighter. It just beats everything. You can't challenge Akuma's Hurricane Kick in any game. Like a projectile can same it, but Okuma's attack will beat any physical attack in the game. It's a regular move. You just throw it out there, it just beats everything. That's what Finn's backpack is. And just like Akuma's Hurricane Kick, it has it has not only has high priority, it gives you extreme advantage as well. Just throw it out there, it just beats everything. And if it hits, it's good. If it doesn't hit, you're safe anyway. More recovery. Okay, so they're doing something about the hitboxes. Here's side attack. This is spin recoveries with ground attack. Yeah, that's that bullshit. Has armor on there as well, and spikes people off stage. Ugh. Okay. The hitbox thing is an issue. The stuff they did there is fine, like add recovery on stuff there. That does still do something. But the issue is his up special should have a cooldown. You shouldn't be able to keep mashing it over and over again. And his charge moves should have a forced whip. You shouldn't be able to hold that shit there and move at the same time. You shouldn't be able to do that. You still could do that shit. Yeah, so the main issues are not fixed, but they did something to make it so you're not derping around with that fucking move. So they made her heavier. I, I was surviving. With Garnet, I was surviving with like 200 yesterday, bro. 200. They were pissed. The opponents were pissed. I was just surviving like a motherfucker, yo. I was dodging out their fucking attacks like a bitch. Okay. Error. Okay, so the song thing was kind of annoying. So like now she could do this song a little bit quicker. That's good. So Garnet didn't really get touched. That's great. She got buffed. Harley Harley's heavier. I thought they increased Garnet's weight, but they made her okay. So they really okay. So I'm really interested to see what they did with LeBron. Kind of got some shit. I mean, like okay, so they know LeBron's a little bit something something. Rain Dog. I knew they wouldn't really touch Rain Dog much. That's air side special. That's some shit. Recovery increased by 2 frames. Yeah. Now better matches rage. Ground side special. They didn't really do that much to it. Ground is a little recovery. Not that big of a deal. Steven is fucking good though. Steven is good. So I see these nerfs already, but no one's playing him. They already know. Hold up, Superman. They didn't touch his armor. Ground up attack. That move was already kind of slow, but I understand why they did that with the up and then down. That's fine. Air ground special. Um, oh the his lasers. That didn't really need to be touched because no one was really falling into it, but it's not that bad. Added additional whiff recovery. Ground neutral attack. I spammed that move a lot, so that's fine. Let's see what happens with Velma. I gotta know. Holy shit! All negatives. God damn. Air up special. That's fine. The camera into splash, that was a little bit too much. So I agree with that one, Reduce move distance, air side special. That's the move I used to get back on stage. That's fine-ish. It's not like, you're intentionally doing something. Ground side special. I don't really care about that one. Air down attack. That's fine-ish. That's fine. That's fine. It's not like yeah. I don't see it because it was a very good move. Like my glasses, yeah, it's a really really good move. Air side attack. Oh, that's the flashlight. Um, okay. It doesn't make her unusable. This should be the end of her patch because they keep on fucking with her, man. It's a lot of shit there. If you fix issues when world bubbles would go through Bugs' tunnel. Okay, I didn't know about that one. It's personal when they made like a big gap of something. So like, I don't see anything like that's a huge a huge something on them. Decreased their weight to make her easier to KO. Fine. Reduce great health. What's this? That's fucked up. From 7 HP to 5, from 3 HP to 3. That's fucked up. That's the worst one right there. All these are granted, but don't be like they didn't fix that they didn't fuck with the homing attack of the word bubbles, or like how much it pushes you away or whatever. All these fucking negatives combined together means that everything else that she actually does is good. These are like tiny little things within her move kit that make her okay. She's still like the same character essentially, just has more recovery on stuff. The police car increased the health. Uh, that's fine. Wait, is it the last patch? Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm interested. Okay, Batman. Oh, they bugs. Here we go. A lot of negatives. Okay, no more two rockets. They know about that one. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's an exploit. Don't fix that shit. Safe HP reduced. Fine. It was really good anyway, so that's fine. It doesn't prevent you from playing bugs how he should be played. Air down special. Uh-oh. No, that's not the hammer. Fine. Oh, so you can't like do it over again. That's fine. Airside attack. Mm. Recovery, recovery. Pi max life. Yeah. I never knew that the Pi gave him slow. I don't play bugs like that much, even though I bought him. I felt it was kind of cheesy playing him, but that's fine. From 8 seconds, yeah, it shouldn't really be infinite anyway. I think like the Pi should have like a distance and then fly down, but it doesn't stop you from using the move. So that's something. But the fact that he can't get as much gold now to like spin to win and do like a lot of damage, that's good. But they didn't make it so like the knockback on the spin to win is like lessened, like Tez Tornado. I'm reading this one. Hmm. You should be able to do the move back to back. Well, 7 seconds is it's fine. I think it's great. Like you can't spam the thing. That's what Finn's backpack should be. 10 seconds actually, because the knockback is just extreme. Like in any direction, it's ridiculous. Overall, I like the changes. It doesn't stop you from playing either of the characters. It doesn't stop you from playing them. It just made it so like stuff is slower for some reason. Oh, I gotta go black off.